Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. It's so nice to be here again.
I'm happy you're here too, Mark. And to all our wonderful listeners, thank you for joining us today. We have a very simple and useful topic, talking about your day.
That's right. We'll talk about the things we do every day, morning, afternoon, and evening. It's a great way to learn daily English words and verbs.
Exactly. And before we start, if you like learning English with us, please follow or subscribe to our podcast. Share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Yes, please do. We love hearing from you. You can even send us a message and tell us about your day in English.
That's a great idea, Mark. So, are you ready to start our topic?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's start with the morning. What do you do first in the morning, Mark?
The first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up around 6:30.
6:30? Wow, that's early. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
Good. Get out of bed. That's an important phrase. After I wake up, I also brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here. Brush my teeth, wash my face. We all do that.
Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
What do you have for breakfast, Anna?
I usually have coffee and some toast. Sometimes I eat a banana or an apple.
Sounds nice. I usually drink tea and eat cereal.
Great. After breakfast, I get dressed.
Get dressed means put on your clothes, right?
Exactly. I choose my clothes and put them on. Then if I'm going out, I put on my shoes and leave the house.
Leave the house. That's a very common phrase. I usually leave home around 8 to go to work.
And where do you work, Mark?
I work in an office, but sometimes I work from home too.
That's interesting. At work, I usually sit at my desk and use my computer. I also answer emails and write reports.
Those are all useful verbs. Sit, work, answer, write. At home, I sometimes prepare lessons and have online meetings.
Oh, that's similar to me. Then, around lunchtime, I have lunch.
What do you usually eat for lunch, Anna?
Sometimes I eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I have a salad. What about you?
I often have a sandwich or noodles, something quick and easy.
Sounds good. After lunch, I go back to work and continue until 5 or 6.
Same here. Then the best part, after work.
Yes. After work, I go home. When I get home, I like to relax on the sofa and watch TV.
Nice. I sometimes listen to music or play games to relax.
That's fun. Do you also cook dinner?
Yes, sometimes. I like to cook pasta or make fried rice.
Yum. I also like to cook dinner. After eating, I wash the dishes. Not my favorite part, but it's important.
Same here. Then I sometimes read a book or talk with my family.
That's lovely. In the evening, I also like to go for a walk or listen to music.
What kind of music do you listen to, Anna?
I like soft, relaxing music before bed. It helps me sleep.
That's nice. Before I go to bed, I brush my teeth again, and then I go to bed around 11 o'clock.
Me too. Sometimes a little later. So today, we talked about daily routines, from morning to night. Let's review some of the verbs we learned.
Okay, let's go over them slowly.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Make breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Get dressed.
Leave the house.
Go to work.
Sit at my desk.
Answer emails.
Write reports.
Have lunch.
Go home.
Relax.
Watch TV.
Cook dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Read a book. Great job! These are all very useful verbs you can use to talk about your day.
You can practice by saying your own sentences. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I go to work.
Exactly. Try to say it out loud every day. Speaking helps you remember better.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. That's part of learning.
That's right. Just keep practicing a little every day and you'll get better and better. That's all for today's episode of Everyday English Podcast. We hope you enjoyed learning about daily routines with us.
Yes, and if you like this episode, please follow our podcast and share it with your friends.
We'd also love to hear from you. Tell us about your day in English.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing your English every day.
See you next time.